Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video explaining how I use PVA glue on my resin pieces because I've had a lot of people in the comments asking how it works and what it is. It pretty much works exactly the same as liquid latex. So you just apply a thick layer of the glue to the opposite side of the resin piece that you want to be doming, and then you just let it dry. And then dome the other side. And once that resin's dry, you can peel off the PVA glue, and what will happen is it's going to take off all the excess overspill, and I'll just give it a wipe with a cloth as well just to make sure it's nice and shiny. Just do a pros and cons list for using PVA glue. So it is a lot cheaper than using liquid latex. It's very easy to find, you can get it pretty much in any craft store or any hardware store. It doesn't have a smell. It's very easy to apply. And it isn't a common allergen, so some people are allergic to liquid latex, whereas PVA glue, you don't have that problem. The only con that I can think of is that it doesn't stick to curved surfaces, so for example with these gummy bears you can see it's kind of just slid off and made a little bit of a mess. So I would probably prefer using liquid latex on a piece like this and saving the PVA glue for a piece that's nice and flat. And finally, I just wanted to give a shout out to the creator who I saw this idea from in the first place. Her name is Mama Sarang, and I'll link her Instagram down below. She's an amazing resin creator as well. If you guys want to check her out, that would be awesome. If you have any other questions, just let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!